Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer frozen snow crab legs. Let's begin. We have here some frozen snow crab legs. We bought it at $14.99 per pound and it's cooked. Let's grab 3 frozen pieces. One, two, three. The first thing what we're going to do is wash the frozen snow crab legs. Okay, we're going to wash them real quick. While you're washing it, you can use a brush to brush off any of the debris stuck on the snow crab legs. Or if you don't have a brush, you can use a knife and just try to remove any of the debris from the snow crab legs. Okay, we washed all the snow crab legs. The next thing what we're going to do is season it with some Old Bay seasoning. Just sprinkle it on top. Turn them over, do the same thing. There we go. Next, we're going to spray some cooking oil onto the crab legs. You can spray the cooking oil onto the crab legs or brush it on. But we're going to spray it on. There we go. I'm going to turn them over and spray the other side. There we go. We have the frozen snow crab legs washed and seasoned. Let's open up the air fryer basket. We're going to grab some aluminum tin foil. Make sure to grab a long enough piece so we can wrap around the crab legs. There we go. As you can see, it's long enough to wrap around the crab legs. We're going to grab the 3 pieces of the frozen snow crab legs and put it into the basket. If it doesn't fit, just bend the legs a little bit so it fits. There we go. And the last piece. Bend the legs so it fits. Looking good. Some of the pieces broke off. We're just going to put those in too. And we're set. We're going to close it up. Just like that. Make sure it's covered. Looking good. Let's put it in. We're going to set it to 380 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. While the frozen snow crab legs are cooking in the air fryer, we're going to melt some pure Irish butter, Kerrygold. It's my favorite butter. And we have here 3 tablespoons of the Kerrygold butter. Okay, we melted the 3 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. It's a salted Kerrygold butter. If you're worried about sodium, you can get the non-salted version. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder into the melted butter. Just like that. And stir it in. Make sure to stir it evenly. Next, we're going to pour the melted butter into a dish. There we go. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking great. Let's take it out. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer frozen snow crab legs. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's open one up real quick. There we go. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.